Hi everyone, let's talk about Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, and why it might just be the key to building wealth in the modern age. Now I know what you might be thinking. Isn't Bitcoin just a fad? But hear me out. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a store of value, a hedge against inflation, and an entirely new asset class. So why should you consider holding Bitcoin? Well, let's break it down. First off, let's talk about scarcity. Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. That's it, no more. Unlike fiat money, which governments can print endlessly, Bitcoin's limited supply creates a unique dynamic. As demand grows, the value of Bitcoin naturally increases. Think about it. If something becomes harder to find, its worth typically goes up. That's basic economics. So when you hold Bitcoin, you're not just holding a currency. You're holding a piece of a finite resource that could become increasingly valuable over time. Now let's discuss adoption growth. We're seeing institutional adoption of Bitcoin rise at an unprecedented rate. Major companies, hedge funds, and even countries like El Salvador are seriously investing in Bitcoin. This influx of institutional money is driving up its price and solidifying its status as a legitimate asset. When big players enter the game, it's a signal that Bitcoin is here to stay. It's no longer just for tech enthusiasts or crypto nerds. It's becoming part of the mainstream financial landscape. And what about inflation? With inflation soaring globally, many people are looking for ways to preserve their wealth. Bitcoin is stepping in as a hedge against the declining value of fiat currencies. People are turning to Bitcoin because they want to protect their purchasing power. When traditional currencies lose value, Bitcoin offers a potential safe haven. Let's not forget the technological advancements happening in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Innovations like the Lightning Network are making Bitcoin transactions faster and cheaper, which boosts its usability. This means more people will be willing to use and invest in Bitcoin, further driving up its value. The more accessible and efficient Bitcoin becomes, the more attractive it is to investors and everyday users alike. Now, let's dive into the question on everyone's mind. Could Bitcoin hit $100,000 by January? The current market sentiment is undeniably bullish. With recent ETF approvals, increasing institutional interest, and positive regulatory developments, Bitcoin is gaining momentum. Historically, we've seen Bitcoin experience sharp price increases during bull runs, often driven by FOMO, fear of missing out, and institutional buying. It's a cycle that has repeated itself, and it could very well happen again. Prominent analysts and firms like ARK Invest and Standard Chartered are projecting Bitcoin to hit six figures, with 100K being a significant milestone. But let's be real. While the outlook is optimistic, there are challenges. Market volatility, macroeconomic conditions, and potential regulatory crackdowns could impact the timeline. It's important to stay informed and understand the risks involved. So, why now? Timing is everything. Right now might be the perfect time to invest. Despite its recent gains, Bitcoin is still undervalued relative to its long-term potential as a global reserve asset. Plus, upcoming catalysts, like the Bitcoin halving in 2024, could reduce supply and drive prices up even further. Investing now positions you ahead of these market shifts. And let's talk accessibility. With platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Cash App, buying Bitcoin has never been easier. You can start small and grow your position over time. It's all about getting in the game. So, will Bitcoin hit 100K by January? While no one can predict the future with certainty, the current trends and market dynamics suggest it's possible. What's clear is that Bitcoin represents a unique opportunity to build wealth, especially if you invest and hold for the long term. Remember, investing comes with risks. So do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's ride this wave together. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.